Good morning, guys. So it's approximately 8 a.m. It's about 40 degrees out, and as you can tell, we're in the garage. So today's video is going to be installing a part on the Mustang as well as a tune, getting the car ready to run on E85. So what I have here is the JLT cold air intake, and this is a tune required cold air intake. So the first thing I'm gonna do is install the Palm Beach dyno tune on the car just to make sure that takes. This is a base tune, so this video may be broken up into a few days, but basically I'm gonna install the intake. I'm going to idle log the car, send that over to JLT. Today's Thursday, supposed to go snowmobiling tomorrow, so if they send back a revision today, great. If not, I probably won't get back to it until Monday, but we'll see how this goes, and I'm gonna start loading the tune now. Continue. We're gonna install the custom tune 91 R3A. Once again, this is just a base tune, a step to flex. Custom tune will disable your SCT preloaded tunes. Confirm. Continue. This part right here is probably going to take a good while, so I'll probably speed through this. Alright, so first thing I got to do is get the strut off, so I'll work on that. It's going to be two 15s or 16s.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door.
Artlist.io.
A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade.
Alright, we'll pull this guy off.
Into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back.
Music
to life.
licensing reimagined.
That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna wreck it.
Look how clean this filter is. This shows you guys that this car literally was not driven at all. Like, even the inside of the throttle body is insanely clean. Anyways, probably stick a rag in there.
The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now.
Artlist.io.
The future is now. The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat.
Music
There's only
licensing
so far I can
reimagined.
ride in your dreams, while you were chasing everything else but me. I'm starting to break out from your gray.
Alright, so she's all wrapped up. Looks pretty clean. Got rid of that sound tube. Gonna go, I guess I'll close the engine, the hood. That's what this thing's called. Okay, we're gonna get it started up and let it warm up so that we can do the idle log. While it's warming up, I'll go grab my computer and get closer here.
Music licensing reimagined.
That was a bit of a rough start.
I'm not backing down, 'cause the future is now. Not
Well, that's not good. Said low engine oil pressure.
Artlist.io.
Okay, so we're back in the car. I skipped a little bit because it's really crappy out now, and I was just trying to get this done. Believe it or not, I actually got the finalized 91 tune as well as the flex tune from Palm Beach Dyno. So making sure we're gonna load this and then go for a drive. My gas tank is pretty low, but because I'm actually going snowmobiling tomorrow on a Friday, I'm probably not gonna do E until I get back from that. But I did get the flex fuel tune as well, so I'll do some driving around with this tune and then do the E85 or the flex fuel tune and drive that around a bit and kind of give you guys my thoughts on that with the JLT intake. But anyways, I'll load this tune and I'll catch back up with you guys when this is done. I can't really do much because of the road conditions right now. Hoping Saturday or Sunday. The weather's supposed to be nicer, but you can definitely hear the intake a lot more, that's for sure. The car definitely feels a lot snappier and from what I can do. But like I said, it's really wet outside, and I just have the stock tires on this thing right now, so they kind of break loose pretty easy. But I'm just gonna putt around a little bit, and then Saturday or Sunday I'll get some actual driving clips when the roads are dry and kind of give you guys a true impression then. By then I might be out of fuel and be able to switch it out to flex too. So anyways, we'll catch back up with you guys in a couple days.
But you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away.
Alrighty, so we've hit 20 miles to empty, and I'm sure there's still a couple gallons in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit the pump. Actually, first I'm gonna load the tune because I'm not super familiar with how these work, so I want to make sure the tune loads first, and then I'll fill it up and we'll do the first start on E85 or flex fuel. But let's get that tune loaded real quick. Alright, so I put 20 bucks of flex fuel in. Let's see if she starts. Okay. I doubt much is gonna be different, but 20 bucks did get me 3/4 of a tank, so I'm gonna just do some casual driving for a little bit, and then I'll strap the GoPro on and do some pulls to show you guys. So here we go. We gotta wait for that traffic over there.
Do you hear the squealing?
Yeah, the tires are spinning.
All the way through.
Pulls pretty good. I'm not disappointed with it. I definitely still want more power though, and I'll be interested to see if it can beat the Subaru from a dig. I have a feeling that race will probably come down to driver ability, like whoever gets the best launch. But I don't know. I think I'll take the Subaru no matter what from a roll. But anyways, stay tuned for more updates, guys. We're gonna be modding this car here quite a bit, so keep watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing.
See ya.
Sound
Thanks.
reimagined.